Vocab for a rainy day. Light rain. It's spitting. It's spitting. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. It's a bit damp out. It's a bit damp out. Moderate rain. It's raining. It's raining. It's tipping it down. It's tipping it down. It's bucketing. It's bucketing. It's pelting down. It's pelting down. Heavy rain. It's chucking it down. It's chucking it down. It's pouring. It's pouring. It's lashing it down. It's lashing it down. It's hammering it down. It's hammering it down. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. Let me know what you thought of this lesson in the comments and enjoy the view.